Code is the invisible engine running everything. But with hundreds of languages out there, where do you start? Let's break down the heavy hitters of the programming world in under 3 minutes. The Web Kings, JavaScript and TypeScript. First up is JavaScript. It is the lifeblood of the internet, used by over 97% of all websites. Originally built for browsers, it now powers servers via Node.js. If you want to build anything on the web, this is non-negotiable. Then there's TypeScript, developed by Microsoft. It's basically JavaScript with safety goggles, static typing, making it much easier to manage large-scale professional projects. The AI giant, Python. Next is Python. It's arguably the most popular language today because it reads almost like English. Because of its massive library support, it has become the gold standard for artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science. If you're a beginner, Python is your best friend. The enterprise powerhouses, Java and C#. Java is the veteran. Write once, run anywhere. It's the backbone of Android apps and massive banking systems. Close behind is C#. Created by Microsoft, it's the go-to for the .NET framework and the primary language for the Unity game engine. If you want to build high-end video games, C# is your entry ticket. The performance pair, C and C++. If you need raw speed, look at C and C++. C is the mother of all languages, providing the foundation for operating systems like Windows and Linux. C++ adds object-oriented features to that power, making it the choice for high-performance software, graphics engines, and competitive programming. Modern stars, Swift, Kotlin, and Go. For mobile, Swift is Apple's sleek language for iOS and Mac apps, replacing the older Objective-C. On the Android side, Kotlin is the modern, expressive favorite that works perfectly with Java. Then there's Go, or Golang, built by Google. It's incredibly fast and designed for cloud infrastructure and massive multi-core systems. Data and backend, SQL, PHP, and REST. To talk to databases, you need SQL. It's the universal language for managing data. For the backend, PHP still powers a huge chunk of the web, including WordPress. And keep an eye on Rust. It's consistently voted the most loved language because it offers the speed of C++, but with built-in memory safety to prevent crashes. Conclusion. Every language has a purpose. Want web? Go JavaScript. Want AI? Go Python. Want games? Go C#. The best language isn't the most powerful one. It's the one that helps you build what you imagine.